Hey there, it's Eric Evenstad with BootstrapBizGrowth.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stop wasting time on those distracting websites. So you probably have a few of these. For me, it's ESPN.com and Yahoo.com. These are the sites that I go to and I just waste time when I don't want to be doing a task that is considered hard or challenging, that it's just using a lot of my brain power to get done. And it's these tasks that are the most important ones to grow my business. So I need to be doing these, but when I start doing these hard tasks, sometimes my mind wanders and I mindlessly go to these websites and start reading article after article, and I don't even realize it until 10 minutes goes by. So I'm sure you have your own websites. Maybe it's Facebook, maybe it's Pinterest. I don't know what it is for you, but I'm sure you have an idea of what those are. And what I have for you today is a tool that's going to help you block those websites when you should be working. So personally, I only give myself 10 minutes per day on ESPN.com and Yahoo.com. I can use those anytime I want, but once the 10 minutes is up, that 10 minutes is gone and I can't go to those websites again. And to do this, I use a tool called Stay Focused. And this is a free Google Chrome extension, and I just love it. It has really helped me stay disciplined, stay focused, get those hard tasks done, and really grow my business. And again, it's totally free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get this tool. I'm going to show you how to get set up and specifically how I use it. So you can use it in a number of different ways, whatever makes sense for you. This is just how I use it, and I'll show you how to customize it to your own liking. So I'll pull up my screen right now. There we go. And here's the link. I'm going to put this in the description down below, but this is what this extension looks like. It's called Stay Focused. You would hit Add to Chrome, and it's going to add it to your Chrome browser. And once you do that, you're going to see a little icon up here that looks like this. And I'm going to click on that to open up the settings, because you are going to have to do some setup here. So you're going to go into Settings. And the first thing that I like to do is just add my blocked sites. So you come in here, you type out your website that you want to block. So we'll just do Facebook right now. You do Add to Block Sites, and you see it down here. So like I said, ESPN.com and Yahoo, those are my time waster websites. Those are what I have on here. Those are the sites that I block. So I add those to there. And then up here, we're going to set the max amount of time that you're allowed to visit these sites during a day. So for me, I give myself 10 minutes. You know, sometimes I need a break. Sometimes I want to go in and check these sites. That's okay. That's not a big deal. Breaks are good. We need those. You just want to make sure that you're not giving yourself too much time on these sites. Next, you come in here and you select active days. So really, I'm only worried about blocking these websites Monday through Friday. The days where I'm really trying to get a lot of work done, those are the days I want to block these sites. So you can come in and select which days you want to be blocking these sites. You can also do active hours. So before 7 a.m. and after 5 p.m., I'm free to go to ESPN.com. I'm free to go to Yahoo.com. But it's during these work hours, the time that I should be getting my hard tasks done, that I'm not allowed to go to these sites. And this max time allowed, that 10 minutes, only counts during the active hours. After that, I'm allowed as much time as I want. And once your time is up for the day, once that 10 minutes is up, it won't reset until midnight. That's how I have it set up. You can set that as whatever you want, but I recommend midnight just so it's each day that it'll reset. Again, the block sites, that's where we add that here. Allowed sites, you could come in here and allow sites that you do want to be able to visit. I kind of just ignore that. As you can see, I don't have anything allowed there. I don't think it's a very helpful feature. The nuclear option I really like. For this, you can set it so that you can't go to any of your blocked sites for a certain amount of time. So if I wanted to really focus down and get some hard work done for an hour, I could come in here, set this to 1 hour. I could nuke them, they say. That's their term, but nuke them. And basically what that means is you won't be allowed to visit any of these websites for 1 hour. So that is going to allow you to go in and get that tough work done. This is another great feature. If you select this button right here, if you click on this, you can set up a challenge. So this will enable you to access these sites if you do need to in a pinch, but you'll have to do a challenge first. So you can come in here and you would have to basically type out all of this text in order to complete the challenge and be granted access to one of your blocked websites. So you can make this as long as you want. You just copy and paste text into here. If you do want to have that option to visit these websites at some point during the blocked hours, but you want to make it really hard for yourself so that you don't just kind of cheat the system and go to it. This is the challenge that's going to allow you to do that. So this is a kind of a cool feature that I really like. Again, I'll just say that I don't personally use this. I want to just have it blocked. That's okay with me. I don't want to visit those sites. They're not doing any good for me, but maybe you need this built in. That's up to you. The customize area, I'll show you what I use here. I have little notifications that pop up when I have 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute left on my allowed time. And another thing down here is you can select which website you are redirected to once your 10 minutes is up, or however long you have set. Once that time is up, this Chrome extension will redirect you to a page. And so by default, it redirects you to their own page that says, shouldn't you be working? So it's just asking that question, and it kind of just motivates you to go back to your work. So that's one option. By default, that's how it's set up. Or you can have it go to another page, maybe a project management tool like Asana, or maybe it's to an Evernote page with your to-do list. So you can really set that up however you like. I just do the shouldn't you be working website, because once that flashes up, it hits my brain and I'm like, oh, I got to get back to work. And so I really like that. It's just simple and it's effective. That's how I use it. That's really the rundown. It's pretty simple. This is a great tool to keep you focused on your work. Again, focus on those hard tasks that are going to help you grow your business. And I just love this one. I recommend that all entrepreneurs download this on your computer and get it set up and working for you to keep you focused, to eliminate those time wasters, and to help you grow your business. I hope you find this valuable. I hope you really like this tool once you get it set up. If you do, give us a thumbs up down below, and I would love it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be pumping out tons of great content in the weeks ahead. All kinds of videos like this where we talk about helpful tools for entrepreneurs, productivity tips, affordable marketing tactics to help you grow your business, outsourcing, so how to hire a virtual assistant to free up your time to focus on more valuable tasks. We talk about all that. It's how to grow your business on a budget. That's our bread and butter, and that's what we want to teach you how to do so that you can grow your business on a budget.